Hi, I'm Anne de Charmant. I'm the Artistic Director at Meadow Arts, and I want to tell you about our exhibition Watermark, which is on in Worcester until the 3rd of June. The exhibition is in 4 different locations across the city. I'm here in front of the Hive Library, and there's an installation by Hilary Jack. Across the road from here on City Campus, the university's City Campus, we have 2 installations by Daniel Pride-Jarman. At the museum, there's a wall-based display of watercolors, photographs and films by Tanya Kovacs, Sally Payne, Niza Khan and Emma Critchley, and there's also a film by Gabriella Hurst. At St. Swithin Church, there's 3 films, a film by Emma Critchley, one by Simon Faithfull, and another one by Suki Best. So the exhibition is on until the 3rd of June, so come and visit.